Hi guys, I'm here again and this time I will show you how to play Hinahanap-Hanap Kita by River Maya. The chords of this song is only 5 and I know you can get it. The first, I'll show you the intro then I'll play it for you. The intro is this. There has only two chords in intro. First is the A sharp, then turn it to A. Then you can play it you can also play it if you want at clap. Just put your middle finger at the third string. Then the first stanza start with G chords. F. This is a F. Power chords for F. Then E. Just only two string. The fifth string and the fourth string. Then A minor chords. The next is D. Then go back to F. Power chords. Then just repeat the intro. Then and that is the whole chords for this song. So now I'll play it for you and just follow my fingering, okay? Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, ilang sawa na sa akin, mga kwentong maraton, tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya, iyong ating sa aking buhay, ang bida sa isipan ko ikaw. Sumagat sa gabi sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpilit at tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sabik sa'yo kahit maghapon na tayong magkasama parang telesine. Ang ating ending hatid sa bahay, sabay may kiss, sabay good night, sabay bye-bye. Sumagat sa gabi sa bawat pagpilit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip ang pagpilit ng tadhana, hanap-hanapin ka, hanap-hanapin ka. So that is the all chords for the whole song. Thank you for watching.